y'all, I don't even know what to say because it looks so good. I mean, it does look a little fake, but I mean, for $25, girl, go to Amazon, link down below. Like a boss and I be thinking Jesus fake is trying to get up in my circle. I don't really need them. We was saying we up next forever. Now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us. Yeah. Hey loves, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Hi, I'm Tanisha, and mainly on my channel I do anything beauty related, whether it's hair, makeup, fashion. I'm definitely your girl for that. If you're new here, you may not know that recently, about 2 months ago, I shaved all my hair off. Now it's grown back a little bit, so I'm in the process of experimenting with new things. So today's video is gonna be a headband wig because your girl got a little hair. Don't judge me. Don't. I haven't combed my hair or done anything to it. This is what my curls are looking like. This has been 2 months. I absolutely love it. I think that shaving my hair was probably the best thing that I ever did. But this is not what y'all here for. Y'all here for this Amazon headband wig. So I'm just going to go ahead and hop right into that. This is how it came. Nothing fancy about it. I'm actually going to open everything up on camera with you guys. I haven't even seen it myself, so I hope that it is not ugly. So it comes in a little Ziploc bag like this, and the brand is Fairyle. I have no idea. F-A-E-R-Y-L-E. And I believe it was $24.88 or $24.99. Definitely a good deal. I will link it down below in the description box. And so it comes with a headband. Oh, it comes with a couple headbands. So I have 1 headband, 2 headbands, and 3 headbands. So even if I don't like the wig, I think it might be a good purchase because I get 3 different headbands. I probably won't wear these 2. I don't know. I don't have anything to do with those. But this one's definitely cute. Also comes with a wig cap. And then it just tells you how to care for it. Has a Caucasian on it. Don't know if y'all can see that. But it has a Caucasian girl on it. I don't know if they're wearing half wigs or headband wigs. But definitely an African-American woman, and I'm definitely going to be trying this out. Comes in a net. Gonna pull it out of the net. Ooh. Well, it is caught in a knot. I don't know if I did it or if it was already like that when I packaged it, but it came straight on off. And this is the wig. It has the Velcro headband part. It also has 2 combs in the front and a comb in the back. And it's supposed to be like a loose curl, a body wave loose curl. It actually looks pretty good. It doesn't look shiny. It looks like a 1B or a number 2. I'm going to say it's probably a 1B. It looks really, really good. Like I said, it's my first headband wig. I've never had one. I've had half wigs in the past, you know, when I was about 15, 16, when people used to wear the old headband, the old half wig. I cannot talk today, y'all. I used to wear the half wigs back in the day when I thought I was grown, and I guess it's basically what it is, except for it comes with the Velcro across the top. So the only thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of gel, the Eco Styler gel, and I'm just going to slick back. I'm going to take about that much. I'm just going to slick back my hair. I don't know how far back I'm going to put it or anything, so I'm just going to slick back just a little bit. And now that I got it slicked back, I'm also gonna just pull out some baby hair. I don't know how much I'm gonna pull out. Like I said, my hair is still short. Y'all, my hair is so dirty, so do not mind this old edge control I got. I really wanted to film this video. I just got it in the mail, so as soon as I got it in the mail, I wanted to come in and film for you guys. So I'm just gonna do my baby hair, no kind of fancy way or anything. And like I said, my hair is short, so I really can't do much. But I do want to be cute. I really hope that y'all can see this. For some reason it seems like the lighting is changing. I moved recently, so I'm trying to, you know, I got a different backdrop back here, so I'm trying to get used to filming. This is actually my first video in my new place. I am absolutely excited to be back on my YouTube because I was gone for a little minute, you guys. But like I said, y'all didn't come here for all of that. I'll definitely do an update video on that later. Y'all came here for this headband wig, and I'm definitely about to show y'all. I'm actually going to put on a wig grip because I don't have any hair. I don't have anything to attach the combs to. So I'm going to put on a wig grip just so that my wig doesn't slide back. And I'm going to go ahead and apply this bad boy. I have no idea. I'm assuming I just put it on and then it has Velcro. So I'm assuming I just put it on and Velcro it. We're going to see. I'm just going to lift it up over the headband part. I'm going to slide it back a little bit because I do want a little bit of my hair to show. And I guess you just, I don't really know, but I'm assuming this is all you do. And then you Velcro it. The hair keeps getting caught, so I'm going to clip it up really quick. Oh my goodness, that was it, and it feels really secure. This is a synthetic wig, so I would say be mindful of that. I'm just gonna finger comb it. I'm not sure if you can use heat or anything on it. It doesn't seem like the best hair, but it is definitely cute and it is definitely a look. Ooh, I think I like these headband wigs because look how simple that was. I'm gonna actually bring the camera down so you can see it. Like, look at that. That looks really good. Like I said, it's not your best hair. It's not like your Brazilian hair or your human hair wig. But I wanted to, you know, test the waters a little bit with these headband wigs and see if I like them. And I can say that I do. It feels really snug and you can't even tell this is a half band wig. You can wear it just like this, or you know, they gave you these headbands so you can go in and put a headband over it. I'm gonna show you guys. And then I'm just going to pull it up a little bit so I can hide the black part. And y'all, I don't even know what to say because it looks so good. I mean, it does look a little fake, but I mean, for $25, girl, go to Amazon, link down below. Definitely get you one of these headband wigs. It feels really secure. Like, look, it's not going anywhere. I wouldn't suggest having your man pull on it though, but it's not going anywhere. Like, this is gonna be my new look. I'm actually gonna look to see if the vendor or the brand that I got it from on Amazon, I'm gonna look to see if they have any more different styles, because I like it. I ordered it on a Saturday and it came on Sunday. Wasn't even a full 24 hours before I got it, so I definitely like it. Definitely say get you one. I wanted to come back on camera really quick and show you some ways that you can style it. I don't know how I forgot to show y'all that, but I'm going to show you some clips of how to style it. It says that it could be wore like half up, half down. So I'm going to experiment with that and see how that looks. And of course I didn't grab a rubber band or a bow. Hold on one second. But I'm going to show you that you can do half up, half down with it. And it's crazy because the tracks don't show at all. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but the tracks don't show. Like, you can do half up, half down. I'm trying to zoom back so you can see me. But yeah, you can definitely do half up, half down. Ooh. I went from bald to looking super cute, y'all. Like, look at this. So you can do half up, half down. Let's see if you can do a top knot with it. I'm not a top knot girl, but if you wanted to do a top knot, you can. So that's definitely a look. You could also, I'm going to see if you can do it up. Oh yeah, you could definitely do a pony. If you wanted to do a ponytail, it looks really good. I don't have this done correctly in the back, but I could always fix that. And you could do a ponytail and no tracks are showing whatsoever. I like to wear, let me see. I also like to do these two little curly pieces in the front. Whenever I used to have my crochets, I used to do this. So I'm going to pull this down. Ooh. And you could do like a little messy bun. Y'all, this is definitely the way to go. Because it is synthetic, I probably wouldn't recommend, you know, doing a lot to it all the time. But hey, for only $25, like, you could buy these all the time. So definitely get you a headband wig. I definitely like them. Like, I really do. I mean, I don't even have to wear a headband. I could wear it just like this with the black thing that came with it. So, girl, I don't have anything else to say about it. It probably won't last long, but the fact that they gave me a wig, 3 different headbands, and 2 wig caps, you can't beat that, girl. Definitely get you one of these. I'm gonna not mess with the curls. I'm gonna leave it alone because I want it to last a little bit. So tell me what you think. Hopefully you like this video, you like content like this, so please make sure you hit that subscribe button, like it, thumbs up, all of that good stuff. I love you. Hope to see you in my next video.
Like a boss, and I be thinking Jesus fake is trying to get up in my circle. I don't really need him. We was saying we up next forever. Now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us.